Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhoades with Carolina Cooker. Today we're doing venison stroganoff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our onions first. We're gonna throw these right here in the skillet. All right, onions are looking like they're just about ready. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna add our garlic. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cream of mushroom. We're gonna throw that right in there so we don't burn. We're gonna add our soy sauce now. We're gonna go ahead and add our canned venison, juice and everything. I'm gonna take a little salt, a little pepper. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our sour cream. So we've got everything incorporated. Now we're gonna add a little bit of parsley just for some color. We've got our egg noodles here and just go ahead and dump that right in there. What you're gonna wanna do is when you add the noodles, make sure you get them coated nice and evenly. That way you are not getting any raw noodles as you're eating it. You wanna have all those flavors incorporated together. I think we are just about ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and plate this sucker up. There we go. Canned venison stroganoff, great way to enjoy a nice hearty meal, something very simple the whole family is gonna enjoy. I'm Chef Paul with Carolina Cooker. Now remember, wild game doesn't need to be intimidating, it just needs to be prepared properly to make delicious meals at home.